Hey folks, I am HVAC Repair Guy. I have over 17 years out in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are walking through a direct comparison between two central air conditioning systems, the Rheem RA16AY and the Della Ducted Central AC 17 SEER2. Looking at cabinet construction, the Rheem RA16AY comes with a louvered coil guard for physical protection against debris and weather. The Della Ducted Central AC 17 SEER 2 uses slotted panels which are cheaper to manufacture but provide less protection for the coil. Both units do come equipped with a compressor sound blanket to help dampen operating noise. When it comes to efficiency and noise ratings, the Rheem delivers a 16.0 SEER rating with an outdoor sound level of 72 decibels. The Della system comes in slightly higher on efficiency at 17.0 SEER 2 and operates at a quieter 58 decibels. Under the hood, neither of these models uses full variable speed compressor technology because both feature two-speed compressors. The main mechanical distinction is at the fan, where Rheem pairs its compressor with a single-speed outdoor condenser fan. Della uses a two-speed outdoor condenser fan paired with its compressor. Looking at manufacturing origin, Rheem manufactures the RA16AY in Mexico. Della manufactures their Ducted Central AC 17 SEER2 unit in China. For real-world installed pricing, a Rheem RA16AY typically runs between $4,500 and $7,500 installed. Della equipment is sold online for around $2,500 to $4,900 for the hardware, with total installed costs generally between $4,000 and $7,000. Warranty coverage is where you see the biggest difference between these two brands. Rheem provides a 10-year overall warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. Della offers a 1-year overall warranty, a 1-year compressor warranty, and 0 unit replacement warranty coverage. My recommendation here is clear. The Rheem RA16AY is the winner. While Della offers a slightly higher SEER2 rating and quieter operation on paper, Rheem provides protective louvered coil casing and 10 full years of warranty coverage, including unit replacement, making Rheem the far more reliable long-term investment for your home.